Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove a background of a photo to create a PNG image in CapCut. So this is the newest feature on CapCut, and I'm currently using this version 9.2.0. and this is the remove background option. So what you need to do is just click on that feature and then choose the photo that you want to remove its background. So you can only use it for a photo. For example, I want to use this photos right here. Click on add and wait for CapCut to remove the background. You can see now this is the quick select, so it will automatically select the object in the photo. Now just click on the check icon and here is the result. And there are lots of things that you can do. You can change the color theme. Just choose it to apply to the photo. Okay, you can also add tags if you want. You can adjust or change the size of the photo. You can also add another photo on top of this photo, and you can also change the background, add stickers like this. But if you just want to create a photo without a background, you can just click on export. Then the PNG image will be saved on your gallery. So that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.